Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to an extra large triangle shawl. It's really cozy, really big, and I'm obviously going to show you the wool here in a little more detail later. The longest side is about 1.80 m, so really nice and big, and really nice and warm, great for winter. And how exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. So yeah, have fun! All right, so we're gonna get started here with this cool shawl with the lovely color wool. It's a special edition and these beautiful colors here. Maybe you've seen this in my last haul video. We have a mix of 70% acrylic, 16% polyester, 10% mohair, and 4% polyamide. The color is the number, let's see, 81. And it's meant for size 5 crocheting hooks. I might actually use my size 6 here. I've already tested it and think it works better. It's 150 grams and 330 meters long. And let's get started with the wool here. I'm going to use the ball of yarn from the inside, so we're starting with the pink. And we are doing this in the corner to corner pattern. Really easy pattern here. Great for this wool that can be a little chaotic. What I mean by that I'm going to show you now. But I'm going to start here with some chain stitches. 6. So I'm going to start with 6 here. Then I go back and go into the 4th one, and I'm adding a double crochet. So in these next other 2 stitches, I'm also adding double crochet, so we have a total of 3. Okay, now we have 3. And this is what we get here for now. So now you can see what I mean with a little chaotic. So it's very fluffy and really white, really like soft and just, yeah, I don't know. But it's kind of hard, obviously, to see the exact stitches here. But it's not as important because we will be going around chain stitches instead of going into an exact stitch. So you will be seeing this now. I'm going to start the 2nd row here with 6 chain stitches, just as I will do for every single row that's coming up. Then we go into the 4th one and crochet a double crochet. We go into the 5th one, another double crochet. And then into the 6th one, another double crochet. Okay, so we did the exact same thing we did for the first row. So 6 chain stitches, skip the first 3. In the 4th, 5th, and 6th, we add a double crochet. Now we will add a slip stitch here to connect the 2 packs, just like that. Okay, and then we will add 3 chain stitches here. And we will go around the chain stitches that we have just in front of us, 3 more double crochets. And this is going to be so easy because we don't have to go into the stitches, but we're going around the chain stitches of the pack before. And you can see how quick this already is growing only after 2 rows. So we have 2 packs in the 2nd row. And we will continue with row number 3. We add 6 chain stitches. Okay. This is how we will start every row, like I just said. Then we turn it around, go back into the 4th stitch, and we will add our 3 double crochets. Again, you can obviously go into the stitches here and it works, but obviously it's much easier to just go around the chain stitches than to go into the actual stitch. Okay. We did 3 chain stitches here, then again the 3 double crochets. And this is number 3. Then slip stitch. 3 chain stitches. And then 3 double crochets. Number 3. Oh, okay, now 3. And row number 3 is done. We did 3 packs here. and then we continue with 6 chain stitches. Then we turn it around, and then here again we go into the 4th one to start, and then we add our 3 double crochets. And number 3. Then we go over here, connect with a slip stitch, 3 chain stitches. And then here, again, we're adding 3 double crochets around the chain stitches of the row before. Okay, that's number 1. Slip stitch, 3 chain stitches. I'm gonna take a little more wool here. 1, 2, and number 3. Then here we go over, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then we're done with this 4th row as well, and we have 4 of these packs. Like I said, we are starting every row with 6 chain stitches, and then continue as we were doing. I'm going to give you an update when I'm actually reaching the color fade a little more. It'll be coming up soon, and then we will have another look. Alright, so here is my promised update. You can see the pink is done now, and so we are merging into more like a purple. It took maybe 2 rows or so for the full next color to come in. This is a very deep purple. You can see here the difference a little bit more when I put it right on top. And then here we have, just kind of the dyed through parts, and then these rows obviously are getting longer. In this one we already have 8 of the packs, meaning it's row 8. Once the next color fades are coming, my guess would be that the color change will happen just with 1 row. And so, I'm going to give you another update soon. All right, so I'm back, and the shawl is actually done. It's super big. It's about 1.80 m on the longest side. The shortest sides that kind of go to the peak, to the beginning, they're a little shorter. Obviously, but everything is super cozy, it's super big, and obviously the rows of the colors are getting a lot slimmer, the more we go to the bigger side. Up here, for example, we just have pink and purple right on top of each other. And I am here, back at the one at the peaks, and here, this is where I will cut this off and pull it through, pull it tight. Obviously, we will go ahead and hide this thread here still, and the one at the bottom as well. And then this big shawl is actually done. Really nice, really pretty, super cozy and fluffy, and pretty quick to make actually. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you back here again at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!